What's up, YouTube? This is Channel Black, otherwise known as Family Guy 231. Right now it's close to 7 o'clock, past it. This is how it is right now. It is still snowing. It's nighttime. As you can see, the cars change a little bit. I know it's hard to see. Roof's changed. It's pretty much covered. Some of the vehicles have come by here trying to see what they can do, but they haven't done anything. But we're just hanging out in here today. I haven't gone outside. I really wasn't wanting to anyway. My stomach hurts. It's the worst time for it. My stomach does not feel good. And we've been watching movies. Me and Dad have. I played some games today with Clint. But this is it. So tomorrow they're calling for winds up to 40 miles per hour, maybe 50 miles per hour. We're gonna get some of that late tonight, probably about 30 miles per hour, but tomorrow it's supposed to hit us hard. But anyway, guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and bye.